In this video, we will cover the steps for installing digital cards into a London DSP chassis. Installing digital I/O cards is similar to installing other London cards, with the exception there is an additional ribbon cable for the digital sync bus. The sync bus cable allows one digital output card to clock off another digital card. This can be useful when connecting digital outputs to other digital equipment. Each digital card has two sync bus cable headers as well as a I/O header for the main board. The sync bus cables connect adjacent digital I/O cards together into a bus. This digital bus allows us to share clocking across the cards. Here we will show you how to connect the cables. Connecting digital card D to digital card C. Connecting digital card D to digital card B. Connecting digital card C to digital card A. And finally connecting digital card B to digital card A. When configuring a chassis with 4 digital cards, it is possible to create a complete loop with the sync bus cables, although this is not required. When using only 2 digital cards, avoid placing the cards on diagonals to each other, such as A to D or B to C, since this hinders the connection of the sync bus cables. And that's it. You're now ready to use digital I/O cards. For more information, check out the I/O card installation video or go to www.bssaudio.com.